Looking for the best zero-turn mowers under $4,000? To suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Husqvarna Mower. A good mower should be easy to use and come with safety features that make it secure to operate. The Husqvarna Mower checks both boxes, which is why you'll love it. It has a powerful 26 horsepower engine and can reach a maximum speed of 6.5 miles per hour, ensuring reliable starts without any hassle. It also features a patent-pending part brake system that automatically activates or deactivates based on the movement of the steering lever, making it more convenient to use. Additionally, the mower includes air induction mowing technology, which draws air from both the top and bottom of the deck. This helps improve the grass and provides cleaner, superior cuts. The cutting deck is made of heavy flat stock steel, ensuring the mower lasts for a long time. Number 4. Pool and Mower. The 22 horsepower Briggs V-Twin Pro engine of Pool and Pro P46ZX is best for residential settings as it works with great efficiency and creates less noise. It is equipped with a 46-inch two-blade steel deck that has 10 years warranty. The height of the deck can be adjusted manually between 1.5 to 4 inches with a half-inch increment by adjusting the lever according to the height of the grass. It can chew down up to 2.4 acres of grass in an hour, which is quite fast. The maximal speed of this mower is 6 miles per hour. This machine makes the maintenance of large lawns fast and simple. The zero-turn radius gives you the dexterity to make those tight and careful cuts so you can perfectly complete your task without patches of grass in the middle. It features a 15-inch high-back vinyl throne with a cup holder to ensure you remain hydrated. Pool Pro P46ZX is the right piece of heavy equipment to do your job perfectly. Number 3. Craftsman Mower. Many professionals and homeowners agree that Craftsman Z560 Platinum from Craftsman is one great lawnmower. One of the main features is the engine that provides from normal bumps while you are operating the zero-turn mowers at very high speeds. You can move faster without any wear and tear or distress from your body. It is heavy-duty and designed to last you for a long time. The suspension system has a suspended operator platform with rear shocks that are adjustable. The system has features that promote ultimate comfort and a very smooth ride while you are working on the lawn. The Craftsman Z560 Platinum has a 54-inch cutting width on the deck. The deck performs the cutting, clipping, and trimming in one quick sweep. The high-strength steel mowing deck is very high grade. The machine has 13 cutting positions ranging from 4.5 to 1.5 inches in height. These two features give you a professional cut at a very high speed. The HG transmission is connected to the 24 horsepower powerful Briggs and Stratton gas engine with a ready start to maximize the performance. This engine is actually found on some of the leading commercial zero-turn mowers. It also features AB intake and barrel carburetor for increased power. The life of the engine and air filter is increased by the self-cleaning air filter system. Number 2. Husqvarna MZ-48. This is another Husqvarna that favors homeowners with rough terrains. This zero-turn lawn mower is great for hilly environments. It has a heavy front end and decent cutting position adjustment. Basically, it has all the features needed to be called one of the best zero-turn lawn mowers for the hills. The tires on the Husqvarna MZ-48 are designed to give you the necessary vibration dumping mechanism when you are riding on rough terrain. A 48-inch cutting deck on this machine helps you speed up the process of cutting grass. The 23 horsepower engine makes the drive easy even when you are on a rough terrain. The mower is pretty easy to control. You can move it around very easily, making the whole process easy. The 3-in-1 function allows you to perform multiple tasks at once. You can clip, discharge, and mulch with the same device. It is built to meet all your needs. The high backrest seat on the Husqvarna MZ-48 makes it quite comfortable even when it is cutting grass on rough terrain. It is great for homeowners looking for a little comfort while working on the lawn. The 23 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine's V-twin engine works well with a hydrostatic gear transmission to run this powerful machine at a high speed. The 48 inches wide cutting deck makes the process shorter and easier on bigger lawns. Number 1. Snapper Mowers. The noticeable benefit of this device from Snapper is that you can choose from the selection of engine types and deck sizes depending on your lawn and cutting needs. You can pick the medium power or high power engine mower for a reasonable price. But all types of engines here come with the Ready Start feature, allowing fast turning on and almost instant work. As soon as you define the suitable deck width, you will get the mower with the foot operation construction. Adjust the height in the cutting mode with your foot. The protection from the vibration is ensured by the padded seat and handles. The entire design of this mower is user-friendly. you can count on the long-term work of this model thanks to the durable materials it is made of. The frame is steel and sturdy. The thick-walled front axle and the ball bearings provide a dependable cutting experience. You can use this device in any season and under any weather conditions without worrying about wearing it up. Usually large zero-turn mowers have high back seats ensuring a comfortable position during mowing that is significant for long-term work. However, in this model, we see the mid-back seat which might be less comfortable for an average height person even with the adjustable construction. But if you do not plan to spend a lot of time on the seat, you can consider this model as well. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review, and please don't forget to subscribe to us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.